Hey guys, if you're looking for the best TVs, you've landed in the perfect spot. Done the research to bring you the best TVs options for this year, considering price, performance, and usage scenarios. Discover which TVs is the best fit for you. All the product links with the best deals in the description box below. List is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1, LG B5 OLED. The LG B5 is LG's entry-level OLED TV for 2026. It doesn't change a great deal from its predecessor, the LG B4, one of the best TVs of 2026, but still delivers the great performance and stacked feature set that you'd expect from an LG OLED TV. At $1,499.99, the main competition for the 55-inch model I reviewed is mid to premium price mini LED TVs. LG B5's new features are primarily the AI ones associated with WebOS 25, such as AI Search, AI Concierge, and the improved AI chatbot. Elsewhere, the B5 carries a lot of the same features as last year's LG B4, although that is a well-stocked list. The B5 delivers very good picture quality. Its main strength lies in its detailed textures and punchy dynamic colors. Its rich contrast and deep black levels are what you'd expect from the best OLED TVs. Number 2, Hisense U8 QG Mini LED. The Hisense U8 TV line has been a favorite of ours for a few years now. New for 2025, the U8 QG puts out even more light than last year's incredibly bright U8N. It also has more accurate colors, features a 4.1.2 channel spatial audio speaker system, and adds a convenient side-mounted USB-C port that supports 4K 165 video over DisplayPort. It isn't all upgrades though. It loses an HDMI port for 3 total, and it's notably more expensive than the U8N. The 65-inch model we tested has a hefty for Hisense $2,199.99 retail price, though you'll most likely find it for the much more reasonable and officially acknowledged everyday price of $1,499.99, $350 more than the last generation. Even so, it's an excellent value and earns our Editor's Choice Award for LED TVs. And from the front, the U8 QG takes a standard approach to design with no bezel on the sides and top and a narrow brushed metal strip along the bottom edge, featuring a bump in the middle for the indicator LED. Number 3, Samsung QN90F Mini LED. The Samsung QN90F is the most expensive 4K LCD model Samsung plans on releasing in 2026. But it comes with a robust blend of advanced features, like surprising new ones in its bespoke daily board, as well as exciting advantages over competing sets. One such advantage is its matte anti-glare coating. The QN90F mirrors Samsung's flagship OLED TV in this way, offering some of the best bright room performance and direct light mitigation you'll get in a mini LED TV. It also boasts incredible black levels, leading to seriously stunning contrast. The Samsung QN90F offers a refreshing mix of features and design considerations that make it a compelling mini LED TV. However, are these advantageous enough to make it one of the best TVs of the year? Here are my thoughts after a full week of testing. Number 4, Sony Bravia 8 Mark II QD-OLED. The Sony Bravia 8 II is excellent for mixed usage. It looks stellar in a dark room, thanks to its perfect black levels, vibrant colors, and great HDR brightness. The TV has modern gaming features, and combined with its excellent image quality, it's a solid choice for gamers. It has solid reflection handling, but it's only bright enough to overcome glare in a moderately lit room, and blacks look gray in a room with ambient lighting. You don't enjoy the same image quality when you flip your lights on. Fortunately, the TV has an incredibly wide viewing angle, making it an outstanding choice for a wide seating arrangement. And Sony Bravia 8 II is excellent for a home theater. It displays perfect black levels with no blooming at all, making it look stellar in a dark room. You also get well-saturated, lifelike. Number 5, Samsung S90F OLED/QD-OLED. The Samsung S90F OLED is Samsung's mid-range model in their 2025 OLED lineup, and it sits just below the flagship Samsung S95F OLED and above the Samsung S85F OLED. It replaces the Samsung S90D OLED. It features an improved QD-OLED panel and is powered by Samsung's custom NQ4 AI Gen 3 processor, which is designed to increase the TV's processing speed. It runs the 2025 version of Samsung's proprietary Tizen OS. The TV has 40-watt 2.1-channel speakers built in and supports HDR10+ and Dolby Atmos. But as usual for Samsung, there's no support for Dolby Vision HDR or DTS audio formats. We bought and tested the 65-inch model, but it's also available in 42, 48, 55, 77, and 83-inch sizes. Although in North America, the two smallest and the biggest sizes use a WOLED panel instead of QD-OLED.